We prepare to leave the warden behind in the cell block, having no more use for him. Alexander and Severo open the cell block door and go through. Thraxa and I follow with Apollonius. Then he lunges backward away from us. By the time I turn around, he's already standing with the warden, his huge hands wrapped around the smaller man's head, tilting it back and forth, exploring its contours with his fingers. The warden is frozen in his grasp. Apollonius looks over at me with the bored insolence of a dog taking a shit on a carpet. The warden screams as Apollonius presses his hands against his eyeballs. Apollonius's muscles ripple, his veins engorge. Before I can rush to separate the two, there's a meaty squelch. Blood sprays Apollonius's face as the warden's eyes puncture and explode in their sockets. Alexander gags. Apollonius lets the warden fall to the ground and looks blithely up at me as the man screams and paws at his face. The gold brings a bloodied thumb to his tongue.
Just like coins.
I stare at the squirming warden, appalled.
Severo, shoot him.